Hello everyone, and today we have a 2024 Ford Maverick trimmer, and we are going to be replacing the engine air filter. So to do that, you're going to want to come to the side. You're going to open these two latches, just like that. And then in the back, there are no latches, but it is stuck by these two plastic pieces. So you're going to want to kind of push down in the back, pull forward. Should be able to come off. You might actually want to disconnect this cable to kind of give you some more room. So to do that, you can either just use your fingers, push it off, pull this out, or you can get a tool to use that as well. And go. Got that out. And then here is the old filter, and this is about 20,000 miles. So I'll put that down, but before I do put the new one in, you might see some debris and dust in this old one, so I'm going to take the opportunity to clean that out. Before I do, I'm going to just get a rag, stick it down so no dust or debris gets inside the engine. Got an air tank. Let's drain this out. So now that the dust is out, I'm going to place the new air filter in. Take the that out. Work this down the back. Snap it back into place. And then reconnect this wire holder. That's it, quick and easy.